So welcome to the episode of Jay's Finest. Super excited to record this because lately I've been mentioning about in the other videos about an upper and lower grill, and guess what, we finally got the upper and lower grill, bro. I am so excited to show you guys this because I think it's gonna make the Mustang look a little bit more aggressive in the front. It's something needed, and I'm gonna talk about little details, how to install it and the whole 9 yards, but it's not gonna be in this video, it's gonna be the next video. But I'm gonna show you what we got and what it came with, so when we install it, it's gonna be beautiful. I'm talking about it's gonna look gorgeous. Can I get an amen? So here we go. This is what you see right here, which is on top of this little stool right here, is the Cervini upper grill, which is gonna be replacing the one we have right here. And reason why we're gonna replace it is because number one, this is gonna look 100 times better, and it's gonna add a little bit more aggressiveness. This is a lot deeper inside, so when we track the Mustang, this will allow at least a little bit more airflow to the actual radiator and the whole 9 yards. Now you can get this separately compared to the one in the bottom, but I'll show you the bottom a little bit later on. But so this does come with a bunch of other little things. So right here, that's what we're gonna have. We're gonna have this little mesh that you can put right behind the grill. So you can see here you're gonna have the ones in the corners, and this is the one's gonna be for the middle. It does not come with the Mustang symbol in the middle, but you could opt to buy one aftermarket or pretty sure an American Muscle, and you can put one yourself. But my dad does not want to do that, and we're just gonna try it out to see without to be badgeless. I mean, clearly everybody knows that's a Mustang, but whatever. But it's cool to have the Mustang symbol. If you do want to put that there, I'm pretty sure there's an option that you can go ahead and place one for yourself. But this is what it comes with, as well as it comes with instructions and a bunch of other little screws and clips and stuff like that to go ahead and replace the OEM and to put these on the actual aftermarket Cervini grills. So therefore it can attach to where the OEM placement on the bumper. Like I said, this is not gonna be an install video, this is me showing you what does the whole kit come with. Alright, so we got the lower grill. Now the reason why we got the lower grill is obvious, for the reason is that the OEM grill doesn't really do it justice. As you can see here with that loud noise behind me, that you can see that this grill is a little bit more low-key, and of course it has this here blocked off compared to the Cervini grill I'm gonna show you right now, and it's a little bit more face forward and doesn't necessarily match with the upper grill, because the upper grill is gloss black and it has this little I guess design coming down here, and this doesn't necessarily have the design going like that, but it does match up here. But we just decided just to opt out just to get the Cervini upper and lower grill, because it's just gonna match a lot better. Now you can obviously, like I said in the other clip, that you can get this separately, you can get the top one separately as well. So let's say you do love this the one that comes already from factory, you can just get this one, and in theory should match up with what that design to what this design right there is. But might as well just add that more depth. And like what I mean is, by right in here, this is like really deep. This almost fits my whole hand in here. Compared to this is just, that's it, I can't do nothing. But anyways, so this has little openings here, as you can see here, and this would fit a lot better with this right here. These are the designs I've been talking about, and I think overall, getting both of them was a cool idea. So let's talk about what it came with. And as well, the lower Cervini grill does come with its own mesh at the bottom as well, and as well as the sides are going to have their own little mesh as well. And also, this is something a little bit different. They didn't come with the upper grill, which comes with these metal, I'm telling you, these things do weight. These are two metal plates that you have to put, like you really necessarily have to put. Reason being because this helps support the grill, because there's a lot more airflow going to it, and I'm talking about obviously the lower grill. So the faster you go, I think you're supposed to be handling for high speed and stuff like that. Because you don't put this, I've heard terrors of the lower grill and if you put aftermarket trims, put it a whole 9 yards. Actually push, so much downforce push on it, it rips the bumper down. But this is gonna help it to support it. It's pretty much if you put like a, I guess, I don't know what's that called, like a splitter, and you put the little guards or. And as well, this does come with all instructions. It does come with the screws, does come with clips and little things like that. So you go ahead and attach the lower grill to your front bumper, and it has instructions. So if you ever do get lost and you don't know what to do, this helps out. And there's also a YouTube video in American Muscle that teach you how to put this on. So if you get scared, you can also do that. But you can also watch me do it, because I'm gonna do it anyway. So you know. So let me give you some more information. What else we're gonna do with the grill? Alright guys, so little details what we're going to do to the grill. So we're not going to leave it that gray color that it came with. Not that it's going to look bad with the Mustang. Honestly, it's still going to look good. But since we got the Mustang with the black accent package, I think it would be a better idea if we can actually just go ahead and paint it gloss black. Pretty much like the upper grill is. So the goal is to kind of make it match the whole car. We don't want to go ahead and just put that grill on and just have second thoughts, and then we're going to have to take everything off and then put it back on, paint and the whole 9 yards. So to avoid any little craziness, since everything, the theme of the Mustang is like, well, the car color is gunmetal gray, and we have the black accent package, we might as well put any other accents gloss black. Now the only thing that's not gloss black is obviously the chin spoiler, side skirt, and the rear, I guess if you usually want to call it. But I mean, that all fits in together pretty good. We have no complaints there. So we just want to go ahead and paint that. So that's what we're not installing in this video, but we're showing you what we got. Super excited to show you guys this, because I've been slightly little here and there been mentioning about it. There's something, it's kind of looking for shoes. When you're modding a car, you just kind of figure out what in the world's gonna look good, and just gonna keep looking around till you see something. Now we did look at pictures as well to see how would it look, just the gray color, even with this gunmetal gray. Didn't find a lot of pictures of it, and a lot of people don't actually paint this. They probably do, they're probably somewhere around the internet, but you know, I don't know, I don't see them. But anyways, just to at least elaborate, this gun might take maybe the following week we might install this. So you just prepare yourself to see this video next week. So super excited to at least install this. It's gonna be a little bit tricky, but you know, with the power of editing and the power of other channels to show how to install it, just in case if we get lost, it's doable. It should be easy, quote unquote, those famous last words, you know what I'm saying? But besides that, this is what I just wanted to show you this, and super excited to go ahead and install this on the Mustang. But fortunately we're not gonna install it today. But other than that, thank you for watching this little quick video of the new grills we got on the Mustang. Prepare yourself, because it's gonna be a fun time installing it, and I'm talking to myself here because I'm the one installing it. But remember to like and subscribe, and if you see anybody that wants to maybe put these grills on, or are in the fence about painting or not painting it, maybe mention about this video. Will help me out, will help you out. So just have this sad moment here of the upper and lower grill no longer gonna be on the Mustang for long. Why? Because, well, we're putting new grills on. So thanks for watching, and